Good afternoon, folks. Here's Jeff from Jeff's Car Reviews. I'm back again with another car video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, also make sure you have notifications turned on so that we know when I upload a new video. For today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at my mom's 2024 Chevrolet Trax LT. This is going to be a full tour of my mom's Chevy Trax. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine, and I'm also going to show you guys the features on the inside as well as the outside of the vehicle. So, with that being said, here's the key. It's going to climb on in and get started. On the key, you got your unlock, lock, remote start, and your panic button. The color of your exterior is blue, and you have smart key access on the driver's door and the front passenger door. And it's got black leather interior it's got a little bit of cloth right here and some on the seats. Manual driver seat adjustments. Push button start as well. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button start. It's got 7,548 miles on it. Very nice. 3-spoke, leather wrapped steering wheel. Nice and smooth power steering. We have sport grips on 10 and 2. Coming to your transmission, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission with low gear selection, and you have manual shift ability via the plus minus on the shifter. You also have a rear view camera with guidance lines. Your electronic parking brakes located right here. Alright, let's go call on the lights. And we'll turn on the hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. We'll check out the exterior. That baby just to let you know that the key has left the vehicle. Got your blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. You also have body colored mirrors as well. Coming to your tires, you have hand-cooked tires. And these are riding on 17-inch rims. You have your LED daytime running lights with your LED headlights. So a little information about this car. My mom had bought this car back in November of 2023. And it's been about 4 months. So she's had it for about 4 months. And this car's been great to us. Really do love this redesign. I don't think there's any LED tail lights available for this vehicle. There's your exhaust. Your third brake lights up top with your rear antenna. Capless fuel tank. All right, let's go pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have GM's 1.2 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. There's your battery. Alright, let's go check out the inside. Got your power windows, your window lock, power mirrors, power door locks, storage down there. Alright, let's go give it a few revs. Very nice. Got your climate control. Your fan speed. Your temperature. AC. You got your automatic climate control. You have your different modes. You have your maximum defrost, rear defrost, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Down here you have your 12-volt power outlet, and you have your USB outlet, your 2 USB outlets down here. And you have your auto starts feature right here, and you have your lane keep assist on and off. Cup holders, you have a little bit of storage right here, storage in there. You got your infotainment center right here. Here's the radio. Got a nice sound system to it. Oops. So here's your home screen. So you got your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Climate. So you can also choose to do the climate control from the screen. You get your different modes, automatic. So everything that is down here, you can also control from right here. Get your recirculation. Your settings. You have all of your settings. You got all of your trip information right here, as well as your fuel economy, your gauges, battery voltage, coolant temperature, and your maintenance. It'll tell you when you need an oil change, which it's due for an oil change, and it'll also show your tire pressure. You have your touch control functions right here. You have your phone and the radio. You have all of your notifications right here. It'll show your temperature and your clock. So it's very simple, easy to use. You got your cruise control, your forward collision alert. It'll show you the gap in which you want it to go off. And you have a heated steering wheel. I don't have a lot of time left. You have your phone controls, your voice command, and your telephone. Turn signals. You have your wipers. Right there, you got your digital tach and your digital speedometer, your fuel gauge, and you have your temperature gauge, and where it says P is your gear selector. And then on the back of the wheel, you have your volume controls. And then on this side, this is where you change the station. You got your headlight controls, and you have your dimming functions. Step back a little bit. Got your interior lights. You have your OnStar and your passenger airbag on and off. It's got a manual dim rear view mirror. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the inside. We're gonna put the window down and check out the back seat. Power windows, storage. You do got a storage pocket for your phone and your two USB outlets back here. And you have your interior light. Alright, let's go check out the trunk. I don't have a lot of time, my phone's about to die. You have a nice amount of trunk space back here. Here's your spare tire. Power windows, power door locks, storage, manual passenger seat. Glove box. Ocean handle. Not bad. I shut everything off. Can't really show the front of the vehicle because I don't have a lot of time, like I said. Okay, turn everything off. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the tour on my mom's 2024 Chevrolet Trax LT. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.